Hi there, Wiki. I wanted to show you how it should look like. So there is an example here for a plan that I've done. If you can see, we'll start with the exterior walls. It has to be in a closed polygon and the global width has to be 1. Okay? Windows should look like this. Oh, by the way, this has to be in layer wall. Okay, and it has to be in black. I'm using almost everything black. The hatching, but this will come later. Window in layer A glass should look like this, not like the one that you've done. The exterior walls it has to show like this, separately from the interior walls. The interior walls are the same, but not connected to the exterior walls. This is an example of another window, and actually this and everything has to be in black. If we're going further to Dean style, you have to use the same Dean style as I am. You can take it from the plan that I've sent you and start all the exterior. Let's talk about the exterior Dean. So this is a Dean line for the whole for the whole exterior facade, okay, and then comes from the different section of the facade. You see, it stops here, and then this is another one, and then this is another one. Then comes all the openings. So from the end to the opening itself, it should look like this. You know, the width, the height, and the height from the floor. And then again another section of wall, and then Dean style. There's like this. Okay, this is everything to do with the exterior lines. There's another one here in case there are columns or something else. And then we're going into the interior. In interior, there is, because there is nothing on this wall, then it will show the whole part of the wall. And then here there is a window, so there is one from the interior wall to the window, and then it goes further, and then comes a general one for the whole width of the room. Same for doors. Use the same Dean style for the doors. This has to be only from one part. From here, this is actually there is a mistake here, but it should look like this. You see, like this. Goes all the way here. I'm correcting it while we talk so you can see it. Okay, and because I've done here the height, then there is no need to do it here as well. If we go into the wet rooms, we need to show also the center of the sanitaire. You see, to the center of the sink, and then to the center of the toilet seat, and then to the width and height of the shower. Okay, I need to show where the taps are, and what else needs to be here shown. Here this is a small room, so there is no need, but if you want you can do it. Text, of course, I'll do because it's in Hebrew, so you can't do it. This is okay. So then it goes all over the facade. The general one, the section one, the windows, and here there are columns, so I did that through here. Stairs. Each run has to be, you see, it's like 28, it's the width of each stair, multiple 5 stairs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and how much is it? And then I'm also numbering it. Okay, and then I give the size of the middle stair that connects between the two. This has to do this. The numbering goes also in the here in the section wherever I see it. What else? The coloring I will do because it got to do with the different material of the walls. So like this one is red, goes for blocks. This one is for concrete, and this one is for light building, like panels and so. You see, I'm not using so many colors, even for the furniture. The furniture has a different layer, but the color is a bit lighter. Okay, but what I would like to see is how I'm printing it. So this is the way it should be printed. Finally, I mean, there is here the difference between the level of the floor and the outer level of the floor. So all the outer openings get like -2 centimeters. In the toilets and shower, toilets is the same, but showers there's -1 centimeters. So the shower room would be -1 centimeters, and this is shelter. Shelter has to be +2 centimeters. So you can see it here. You see, this is an opening for outside, so here is also -2 here as well. What else can I show you? Okay, the same goes also for the section. Okay, the walls has to be in closed polygon, then and width 1, global width 1, and this one I do also in a closed polygon, the flooring, and I give it half the global width 0.5. This is what I use for levels. This is the symbol. This is how it should look like. And what else needs to be shown here? So the facade, also you can see it in the sample. And if I'm going to what you have done, you see there are too many colors here, and this has to be wall. So I don't know if it's black, but anyway, it has to be black. Excuse me. And polygon has to be closed, because then the hatch won't catch inside. And the global width is 1. Okay, so this goes for all. Here I don't know exactly what you've done here. I can't really understand it, but this has to be also in black, and global width 1. Okay, windows, like I show you, this is not the window I used. All those numbers, this one, just I don't need them, so you can just delete them. And what else here? you see, you haven't used the dim style that I'm using. I don't use this. You can take it from my plan. This, and for the doors. Okay, let's put them here. The color has to be, of course, much darker. Okay, and then you take it from here, and for the openings, where is an open? You see, so the opening is this. The size is also different, you see. My size is 10 centimeters. The size that you've taken is 15. It's too much, too high, and this is for that. And according to the elevations, you can take how high it is and how high from the floor. So this one I don't need. Okay, you see here, if I'm taking this, oh, 1 second, this, I don't know why it doesn't, but it should be, and try when the dim, that the number won't show upon the walls, so you can take it a little bit here, further in. And what I miss here, of course, is this general size. Of course, like if there is a wall that and one more thing, it's very important that to use continuing dim line, because if you stop it here, you have to go further away, okay, up to here, and make it a continuing line, not stopping here. What else? This one also is not the one that I use. You can take it from here. Okay, this is it, and just change the parameters. Stairs, again, the color is different, it's not the right color. The measurement, like the one that I showed you before. Okay, furniture you can leave, but just change the colors. Let's give it from this color, for example. So you change it, but you won't use too many colors. This is hidden line, I guess. This should be, because it's on top, that this should be a hidden line. So let's look for it. If there's no hidden line here, then let's take it from my plan. Here's a hidden line. Match properties and go through all that. Okay, let's do that for now, and then we'll continue. Thanks. I hope it's much clearer now.